Learning how to break down a whole chicken will save you money and provide you with extra bones to make stock. Start by making a very small slit in the skin between the thighs and the breast with the tip of a sharp chef's knife or boning knife. Pry one leg away from the body until the thigh joint pops out, and then repeat on the other side. Pick up the chicken by the leg, then using your sharp knife, remove the leg. There's a very juicy nugget of meat right behind the back, so you want to cut as close to the carcass as possible. Repeat with the other side, and then set the legs aside. You can take off the breast with the wings attached, but if you want to remove them, pick up the chicken by the wing, feel for the joint, and work your knife into it. The wing should come off cleanly. Pick up the carcass with the neck end pointing straight down, and then using a cleaver or a chef's knife devoted to heavy-duty tasks, place the blade behind the ribs against the rib cage. Cut downward with a few sharp, firm strokes. The back should separate easily from the breast. Split the breast in half lengthwise along the breastbone. You now have a chicken broken down into 6 pieces. To continue breaking it down, use your finger to locate the joint between the thigh and the drumstick and use a sharp knife to separate the two. Use your heavy-duty knife to split each breast in half by first slicing through the flesh and then pressing down firmly with both hands on the blade to get through the bone. This will give you 10 pieces total.